Hi everyone, this is Kona, and following along with this one. There we go, coding your data. I'm going to go ahead and save this. So how are we going to code your data? So copy the 6 data columns, and actually, now that I'm saying that, it's 7. So I'm going to have to update that, but okay. We're going to come over here, and there's all of our data columns, right? And the ones we want are these right here. So what you need to do though, I'm doing this just as an example, even though I will say the data is real, I really did collect it, but you would want to copy all of the data from everyone in our course. So grab it, and starting with the C column all the way to the I column, but do not get the top part for this. But just go ahead and grab it and copy it, then go into Minitab, and start at the number 1 and paste it in. So we do not need, back here, right? No. Where was I? This one? Sorry, I'm trying to remember where I was at. Okay, we don't need your name, and I don't need the respondent number. I just need those right there. Okay, but then what you're going to do, and I guess I do need to move this over so I can see it. So then what you're going to do here is add one word like method, let's see, live gun, I don't know, grow up gun, background, conceal carry, let's see, affiliation, and gender. Okay, so first of all, add those in there, and I might have actually said something different in the directions, but don't worry about it, it's fine. So then what we're going to do is recode these so they actually mean something, okay? So we're going to come up to data, recode, and we're not doing to numeric because those are numbers, but instead we're going to do it to text. So the fun thing here is that you do need to do one at a time. So start with method and pick recode individual variables. Unfortunately, right now there's only ones, but you should have 1s and 2s there because there will be a mix once you do it, but 1 was face to face, and actually, you know what, let's go ahead and just do face to face. There you go, face to face, and at the end of the worksheet, and you don't need the summary table, and click OK. And what that's going to do is give you the recoded method, and then you can go in and even change this to like method. And actually, you know what, let's go ahead, and this time you can do like method 1. Yeah. Okay, so when you're doing this the first time, so don't do what I did basically, do what I say I do. Change this to method 1, live gun 1, grow up gun 1, background 1, and why do this? Because that way you can keep your recoded, as the actual method. And why are we doing this instead of having it online face-to-face? Because in all honesty, it's hard to have everyone enter in text the exact same where numbers are pretty clear. So let's go ahead and then do data, recode, to text, and this time we're going to do a gun, and there's 3 of these. So for this one, it's currently own a gun, then don't currently own a gun, but live with someone who does, and live in a household with no guns. into the worksheet. There we go. Okay. So you can see, and then you can actually come here and get rid of that, and get rid of that. And there you go. So then the next one, recode to text. Get rid of that, and grow up gun. And instead 1 was yes, and 2 is no. Okay, so hopefully you kind of get the idea here of what we're going for. Okay, so go through and do that for all 7 of these. So that way you've got your method, should be either face-to-face or online, live with gun, so don't currently, grow up gun, background, conceal carry, affiliation, and gender. So go through and code all of those. Also really important, make sure you're saving your project, and make sure you save your project somewhere you can find it and get access to it, whether you're at Richland or at home or wherever, because if you can't, then you're going to find it really hard to work on the project or to continue, because this file that you code right here, we are going to be using and you are going to be working on for all of project 2. So make sure you don't lose this, okay? I think that's it. Just then once you're finished, you will upload just this mini tab file to the assignment and you're good to go.